Bonnlo 2-in-1 Camping Stove with Propane Griddle. Highlight features or overview summary. There are features include: take your outdoor cooking to the next level with the 2-in-1 portable propane camping stove and griddle, a compact yet powerful cooking companion designed for adventurers, families, and outdoor enthusiasts. This innovative appliance combines the performance of a single-burner propane stove with the versatility of a large flat griddle top, allowing you to prepare everything from breakfast pancakes and bacon to grilled burgers and sizzling stir-fries all in one unit. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or cooking in your backyard, this stove delivers convenience and flavor wherever you go. At its core lies a high-powered 15,000 BTU burner, capable of rapid boil times and precise temperature control. It provides even heat distribution across the griddle surface, ensuring consistent cooking results for any meal. You can simmer soups, sauté vegetables, or boil water for coffee and pasta effortlessly, perfect for family-sized outdoor feasts. Lighting up your outdoor kitchen has never been easier with the one-click piezoelectric ignition system, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. With a single press, the burner ignites instantly, offering both safety and simplicity, ideal for family use in outdoor environments. The foldable, lightweight design makes it highly portable. Collapsible wind guards protect the flame from outdoor breezes, ensuring reliable heat even in unpredictable weather. When not in use, it folds down compactly to fit in your car, RV, or camping gear bag, ready for your next trip. Crafted from high-quality iron with a stable base, the stove offers excellent durability and balance on uneven surfaces. Whether you're cooking on a picnic table or the ground, the sturdy frame keeps your cookware secure. Compatible with standard 1-pound propane tanks, this 2-in-1 portable stove and griddle makes outdoor cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable than ever. It's the perfect companion for campers, hikers, tailgaters, or anyone who loves to cook outdoors without compromise. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.